Hey everyone, I'm Andrew and welcome to Tech Check. In today's video, I'll be unboxing Logitech's G613 wireless mechanical gaming keyboard with Logitech's Roamer G tactile mechanical switches. So looking at the box, top left of course, you got the model being the G613. Right down on the bottom left you have Logitech's branding, and then across the entire box, which is actually a fairly large box, you have a picture of the keyboard. Top right letting you know what it is, the wireless mechanical gaming keyboard with the Roamer G switches, but that's about it for the front of the box. But we take a look at the back. Looking at the back of the box, the top left you have the gaming buzzwords being Play Advanced, right next to the model and what it is being the G613 wireless gaming keyboard, mechanical gaming keyboard. Underneath that you have a picture of the keyboard. You have the G switches on the far left like a lot of theirs do, the connection and gaming buttons at the top, and some media buttons in the top right, like basic places with basic controls you should expect with a keyboard at this price. On the right side here, just some bullet points letting you know a few things about this keyboard itself, letting you know that it has the Lightspeed wireless, the Roamer G tactile switches. You can connect either over Lightspeed or Bluetooth. However, if you want the 1 millisecond report rate, you'll need to connect with the Lightspeed USB dongle. And G1 to G6 letting you know that it has 6 programmable G keys that you can put custom macro sequences and in-app commands right at your fingertips. So to open up this keyboard, there's tape covering each end, right there, and right there. And since this side was already a little damaged, if I can get that in the light, from shipping, this will be the side I'm going to open up. So first things first, gonna grab my trusty little unboxing knife and open it up, and we're gonna just get between the cardboard here, take my finger away, and we're gonna just slice that up, closing it, make sure we don't hurt ourselves with it, and putting it away before we open the box. Now that that's all put away, we can open the box and hopefully pull this out on camera. Oh, there's a little tab here to make it, I guess, easier to pull out, so make sure I don't hit anything. Oh, and I've already hit something. So we get rid of that box there. And this is what we're left with. It's just a plain black cardboard box. There's my keyboard. No, I'm just joking. Let's flip it over, see if there is anything else. Nope. Okay, so it looks just to be this one flap at the front that I'll lift to open this up. And this should come down to reveal the keyboard. And there you go. Oh, let's see if we can get that on camera. There's really no room here, but that's okay. You can kind of see it. There's the keyboard in the box. It's kind of a little accessories pack over here. I'm going to move some things around so you can get a better view. Okay, I moved a few things on my desk to give us a bit more room here. And as you can see, we have the keyboard taking up most of the space here. It's a little cardboard accessories pack and what seems to be the phone stand sticking out right there. We're going to wait to go through that in a minute. First, let's pull out the keyboard. As it is wireless, I'm not expecting any wires to be holding it down. So as you can see, there it is right there. It is held in, it's covered in a plastic, which seems to be sealed at the top. With a little seal right here, shouldn't be hard to open. We'll just peel this right across. Okay, that wasn't stuck too tight. Just reach in, get rid of this packaging. It is in there very tight though, so. Okay, got rid of that plastic, and that's a very shiny finish. If you can see that right there. Oh, it's reflecting off my lights, it's so shiny. The very bottom here, oh okay, you have rubber pads all the way across. Can you see these? Yep, you have both feet on each side that do have rubber pads on them to help from slipping. That's great. As well as rubber pads right here and right here if you didn't want to, if that's the angle you like. You have the battery door as well as the little thing that connects your batteries. We'll just open this door first. There we go. To reveal your GP no-name alkaline batteries as well as the G613 dongle. So that's good that they have it right there. Nice little carrying spot for it. Put that back on. We're not going to pull that yet. Let's pull this up and look at the front. So it's got kind of like a grayish silver finish, matte finish. It's not very reflective, which is good. I like that. You have the caps lock and battery indicator. No num lock or scroll lock indicator, anything like that. You have the game mode, which seems to be a switch now instead of a button like on my other keyboard, which is good. You know, it won't get hit by mistake or something. You have your light speed and Bluetooth connection buttons. Then under that, beside that, you have your volume, your mute, as well as volume down and up, play, pause, stop, back, forward. And then basically the rest is just your standard keyboard layout. So the keyboard itself seems to be a fairly sturdy, hard plastic, no flex. Really no flex. I'm squeezing hard, I'm trying to twist. There's really no flex. This is a nice solid keyboard, great build quality. I didn't try down here. It's pretty good pushing on. It's not collapsing on itself. The keys, they're not too loud. Kind of a little squishy, not as mechanically as I would expect them to feel. But, you know, that's alright. It does say that they're their own Logitech Roamer G switches. So, you know, I guess that's a good try for Logitech. It does feel okay. We'll have to check it out in gaming. The handrest itself, there is a little line right here, but I'm fairly positive that's not removable. Actually, when I was looking at the back, there's no line, so I can guarantee that's not removable without breaking it. The keys themselves, nice and shiny, black keys, no backlight, no RGB. I know people are going, why is there no backlights or RGB? Well, this does run off batteries, it's wireless, and to get the rated 18-month battery that they say this thing has, you can't put RGB or lights in this. It would just kill that battery life. Probably like more than half. Anyways, top left, of course, you have the Logitech G logo, Logitech Gaming or whatever. Then your G keys right down the left side here. Basic keyboard layout, gaming switch, your connection buttons, media keys. Standard keyboard layout. I don't know, it feels quite nice. Like I said, a little squishy, but I can deal with that. I don't know if I already said, it just does have the caps lock and a battery indicator. It's nice that it has the battery indicator, but you know, a scroll lock and num lock, sometimes you want to know those things are on. If we could take a quick look at the sides, you can see, or if you can see, it has the power switch right here, toggle on and off. It's a little red area there when it's off. Right beside that, you have the G613. Seems to be another peel here. Oh, there you go. So that reveals that nice reflective side. Oh, you can see my light right there. So yes, this is the Logitech G613, letting you know that's what you got. Taking a look at the opposite side. Does it have the same thing? No. It's still got the mirrored type finish. Let's see, has it got plastic on it? Yeah, let's take that off. There you go. Shows you that kind of mirrored finish. Goes right across the top. Is there any more plastic on the top here? No. So nothing to pull off there. Just a little reflective surface. And then again the bottom. Basically showing you a few screws to hold it together. Logitech logo, the model. But that's about it for this Logitech G613 wireless mechanical gaming keyboard with their own Logitech Roamer G switches. So I pulled this little accessories box out of the keyboard box so we can take a closer look at it. And I noticed this little phone holder is basically just sits underneath it. So first we'll look at that. There's no like charging port or anything like that. It's got rubber base to it, which is pretty neat. Matte finish again, basically it just matches the keyboard perfectly. You have the Logitech logo right there. I wish I had my phone near me so I could sit it in there, but we'll do that in a second. And it does have the little plastic peel all the way around. How about we just get rid of that right now? Oh, there we go. Pro level peel. I wish. But that's the phone stand that is included. And now the rest of the accessories are to be determined. So this is all that's inside this little package right here, nothing left. Throw that to the side. This right here is your USB extension cable. I say that like I knew what it was. I had to actually think about it for a second. Well, thanks for watching my unboxing of the Logitech G613 wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. If you're interested in learning more about this keyboard, possibly picking one up for yourself, I'll have some links posted in the description below where you can do just that. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and possibly subscribe. I'm Andrew, and this was Tech Check.